Hi everyone, in this video you're gonna learn how to single crochet into the back loop only. So I'm going to start with the chain first. So after you finish the chain, I usually turn the chain over and then you can see, I call them ribs basically, and you can count how many stitches will be made based on that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in the hook into the first stitch. So we're gonna create the first row with a single crochet, pull out the yarn and pull the yarn through the two loops. So that's gonna be our first stitch, and we continue this way. So now the last single crochet of the first row, and you can count how many stitches have been created. There should be 6. So we're gonna chain 1, turn the work, and now we're gonna start crochet into the back loop only. So I'm gonna start with the first and insert the hook into the back of the stitch like I'm showing here, yarn over and pull the yarn, and you're gonna continue like that. And now again reaching the last stitch, and we chain 1 and continue the same way by inserting the hook into the first stitch, into the back loop. And so this is basically how you continue with the whole work. And what you need to know, the single crochet into the back loop only is a little bit stretchy, so it's going to look like a ribbon. And enjoy creating.